Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fall makeup tutorial video for you, and it's on this look right here. I went ahead and got into the creative mode because fall is here and I wanted to go ahead and do this inspired look for you. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So since I already washed my face and moisturized, I'm gonna go ahead and put a facial spray, and it's this one right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spritz it all over my face. Next thing that I will be doing is putting on a primer, and the one I'll be using is the Ordinary. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put that all over my face. While that's settling into my face, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. So for my eyebrows, I'll be using my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown, and I will also be using her brush, which I believe is number 12. So next, I will go ahead and be cleaning up underneath my eyebrows, and I'll be using my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC35, and I'll be taking a flat concealer brush, and I'm just gonna use my brush, and then I'll be cleaning underneath my eyebrows, taking it down to my eyelid so I can use my concealer as my primer. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave my eyebrows alone. I'm still not done with them. I will be putting on a brow gel, but I usually do that after I do my face makeup because sometimes they do get powdery. So next step that I will be doing is the eyes, and I'm going to go ahead and take my Huda Beauty, whatever you want to call it, and I'm taking the palette Warm Brown Obsession, and I will be taking this shade right here and this shade right here, and I'm going to go ahead and put it all over my eyelid. And this is going to set the concealer, this shade right here, and I'll go ahead and use that shade as our transition shade. So I'm going to place that along my crease to use this shade as the transition. And you can also, if you bring it a little bit down to the eyelid, it's okay. You're just gonna want to diffuse it. Use this shade, this warmer shade, for my crease. And I'm gonna go ahead and place it into my crease. Then I'll be using this shade right here, and I'm gonna place that closer into my crease, starting from the outer part and then blending it out like so. I'll be taking this shade right here and placing it on my outer corner, bringing it in a little bit into the eyelid space, and then dragging it outwards. Going back with the same brush that I started at the beginning, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out the edges. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take that deep color right here, and I'm going to place it at the outer edge, kind of in a dabbing motion. Going back without any more product, like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and blend out those edges. Just to kind of soften it up. I want more of a diffuse kind of look, and I'm going to go back with the same brush that I used for my corner and just kind of retouch up the actual corner, outer corner, just touch it up a little bit. Don't worry about underneath because we're going to go ahead and clean it up once we're done. Go ahead and go into my NYX Happy Birthday palette, which I received for free on my birthday. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this olive gold tone greenish color. So you guys can see it. It's a beautiful green, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that for the center of my eyes. And I'll be taking just a brush like this, and I'm gonna grab that, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it. Then I'll be going back with that same outer corner brush that I used for the outer corner without any product, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend those colors together so I can get like a nice transition. And then I'll be taking the same blending brush that I used at the beginning without any more product, and I'm just gonna go ahead and soften that up, the crease. Now we're gonna go ahead and go back to that shade right here, and we're gonna use this for our brow art. And I'm just gonna go ahead and we're done with the eyeshadow, but basically I'm gonna go ahead and put my inner corner highlight once I'm done putting on my foundation and everything. But so far for the actual eyeshadow, we're done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and be back. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation off camera just to save some time. You guys already see me how I apply my foundation, and if you haven't, then just go ahead and check out a old video of mine, and you could see nothing has changed recently how I put my foundation. The foundation that I'll be using is the Matte Velvet Skin from Makeup Forever, and the shade I'll be using is Y375 with a Gap Beauty Blender. So I'm gonna go ahead and go put that on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back, and I know I look powdery, but it's because I'm setting my face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know what I actually used for my face. So I went ahead and did my concealer as well, and I used my Pro Longwear Matte Concealer, and I used the NC35. And to set that, I used the Kat Von D Lock-It powder, brightening powder. And then for my entire face, I used the RCMA, the original powder. I'm taking this and this shade and run it across my lower lash line. I'll be taking my Revlon waterproof kohl eyeliner in nude, which is this shade right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and tightline my lower lash line. Go ahead and tightline our upper lash line, and I'll be using the automatic eyeliner by Ulta in black, which I'll be using Crave from the Naked Basic palette. And I'm gonna just go ahead and set that eyeliner with. Next thing I will be doing is curling my lashes, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera just to save some time as well. So I curled my eyelashes already, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put one coat of Maybelline Lash Stiletto mascara in a waterproof. Now I'll be using the Kiss Blowout Lash, and it's the Next Gen Wispy, and they look like this. Well, I have my lashes on now. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go back in with that shade Crave and that angle brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of go over the gaps that I have in between my own lashes and the falsies. I'm gonna go ahead and use the NYX palette once again, and I'll be taking this shade right here and this shade over here, and I'm gonna use that for my inner corner highlight for my eye. And pretty much the eye is finished. Next, I'll be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish foundation in medium dark to bring back a little bit of my color, since I did set my face with a translucent powder. It kind of took away from my color, so I'm going to go ahead and be using this. Then using my Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapes Shifter, I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and contour. Next, I'll be bronzing, and I'll be using my Too Faced Beach Bunny bronzer, and this is going to bring a glow to my face. So I love using this bronzer. And I'm taking my fan brush and I'm just kind of just putting it wherever I kind of put that contour, just to give me a little bit more of a glow to my face. What I'll be doing is putting on some blush, and the blush that I'll be using is MAC Peaches. Finally, I'm going to go ahead and put my highlighter, which is this one right here. Last but not least is our lips, and I'll be using Scorched by Urban Decay, which is this one right here. It's a beautiful like burnt orange brown. You guys could catch that. So we're gonna use this one. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like, the final look. And I want to say, please excuse my crusty lips. Lately they've been very dry. I don't know if it's due to the pregnancy or just the weather change, but yeah, I wanted to try something new for you guys, a different fall look. I know typically I wouldn't wear this type of lip shade. I did get this lipstick for my birthday, and I think it's very fun and it looks nice for fall especially. It's not your normal lip color. I usually would stay with a natural nude brown color, but I really do like how this turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you guys did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.